Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have a Madame Glam box. It is the July collection. We have 8 stunning and vibrant polishes. 3 of them are magnetic. We're gonna have a look at them. I don't have a little reel made up yet, so I'm just gonna show them to you and I'll voice over reading the description and flyer thing. So let's do that and then we'll do the nails. This month we celebrate Madame Glam's 11th anniversary with our limited edition collection inspired by the vibrant energy of New York City, our muse, our home, our heartbeat. This July, we're lighting up the city that never sleeps. Our anniversary collection is a dreamy fusion of creamy neons and glow-in-the-dark shades, inspired by New York's electric nights. It's bold, it's glam, it's our most magical formula yet. Because turning 11 deserves nothing less than a glow-up. Step into the spotlight with Summer Rush Collection, a bold celebration of 11 glamorous years, featuring 4 vibrant neon creams and 4 glow-in-the-dark cat-eye dazzlers. This anniversary lineup is inspired by the energy of New York and the fearless spirit of self-expression. Whether you're lighting up the day or glowing into the night, these shades are made to celebrate you. We're committed to the beauty that empowers inside and out. Our gel polishes are thoughtfully crafted to care for both you and the planet. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free, each formula delivers bold, high-impact color with conscious, offering long-lasting wear without harmful ingredients. Very impressive. And I didn't even know that these glow in the dark. So what an unexpected surprise. Very excited to use them. At that. There are so many that I love so much. How am I supposed to decide which ones I want to use the most? We're gonna find out though. Let's do the nails. Okay, so let's start putting on some paint. I've got an idea. We're gonna have 3 single color fingers and 2 3-way gradients. But let's get these single colors on here first because the gradients are gonna be much more difficult. For the pinky, we're gonna go in with this one. Aren't these bottles fun? It looks like this one has little popcorn decorations on it. One of the great things about Madame Glam polishes is they are very opaque. So you don't always have to even have more than 1 coat, which I appreciate because gel polish gets thick. And so the more coats you have to have, the thicker it becomes. And I don't love thick nails. Don't forget to wipe your undersides to help with that thickness. The next one we'll use is this one, and it's got little French fry decorations. And look how great it looks with just 1 coat. And now the thumb, we're gonna go in with this one. This one really gives me vibrant sun, sandy vibes. This is one of the magnetics, so we will definitely be utilizing that effect, but let's paint it on first. Even without the magnetizing, this one is a beautiful orange. It is so pretty. It would work perfect for the Halloween and fall seasons too, but let's magnetize. Oh yeah. All right, that is gorgeous. Look at that shift. I'm gonna flash cure this so that these particles don't move. All right, and then now I'm gonna put all of this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now, you may not be aware, but Madame Glam polishes don't really have much of a sticky layer, but I do recommend wiping them anyway because there is dispersion on some of them. This one came from the thumb. It had more sticky than these. They had pretty much nothing, but this had a little bit. And for me, I like to remove that before I go on with my next steps because I don't want that smearing color. But now to the complicated, our 3-way ombres. First, we're gonna do these 3. So these I'm gonna put over here, and I have my ombre brush I am not left-handed. I'm probably going to end up turning the nail over so that I can do it like this. I'm going to try and stay in the camera. We'll hope for the best. But what I got to do is get some of this polish on here to start with. So I'm going to take a little bit and try and wipe off as much of the excess as I can, but leave enough that I can do an ombre with it. I don't want to have to do 2 layers of ombre, but if I have to, we will. So we'll do that much for this color. And then let's put some of this one on here. Yeah, that's good. That much of that one. And then let's finish off our bottom with this green. I'm gonna wet my brush in a little bit of top coat because I hear that helps. And then we'll just do a little bit of this back and forth blending motion. Boy, this is not that easy with the wrong hand. And then I'm gonna wipe that excess paint off. Then I wet my brush again, and then we'll do the same thing down here with a little bit of an up and down motion. I am gonna have to do a second one, as you can see, because I made some thin spots. But essentially, that's what we're doing here. So I will be right back after I cure this and do a second layer. All right, look how cute that is. I am loving it. Got our 2 little gradients and our 1 color nails, and this one is velvetized. Very beautiful. We're gonna put some art. Did you know you can do nail stamping on top of gel? Because I'll be right back when these stamps are applied. All right, we have a decoration. All right, so we've got a little beach. And we've got the other side of the beach here. This part is like during a sunset, and this part is in the day. And I put this nice little whales here on this gradient. We've got us a sun and some clouds over here on this nice sky. And then we've got some seashells going on over here. And I actually threw on a couple of little gold metal charm ones. But now we need to top coat all of this in. All right, 60 seconds in the lamp. Alrighty, and here we have it. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can look. There we go. I like it. And I really like how the velvet style magnet on this one makes it sparkle, so it almost looks like a shimmer on the water created by that sunset. So that is a really nice effect. I would recommend doing that. These are super cute and perfect for summer. Let's have a look at this one. That one is nice as well. I am going to go ahead and get you some photos here for you to have an up close little look-see. And then of course I'll have these polishes listed in the description. I'll have the links to Madame Glam. There is a discount code. You can definitely take advantage of that. Let me know what you think of this month's collection. I am a big fan, I'm gonna tell you that much. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. If you did, leave me a palm tree or a seashell emoji so that I know that you made it. Let me know what you think of these nails. Definitely check my links in the description for discount codes and affiliate links, the links to my socials. Make sure you're following those. Sometimes I post things over there that I don't post over here. Consider joining the channel membership if any of the perks seem like something that you would be interested in. And that's really it. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.